Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Stephanie from Vassiani. And if you know anything about my channel, I'll be showing you tips and tricks when it comes to sewing. I do have a website that you can go on and look at the stuff that I've made. As you know, everything is handmade. So today, what I'm be showing you guys is how to cut up shorts. Okay, so when you're finished with the shorts and you want to make patterns and designs and you want to cut it up, if you want to cut in the front or if you want to cut in the back, then this is what I do so that it can have a perfect form when it, like, the spacings are correct, and everything like that. Now this is a one piece, so it have a shorts in the back, and the front is a complete front, meaning there's a shorts on the bottom, but I extend from under the underbust, come over to the bust, and then go across that you can tie in the neck. Okay. um I use my black pattern for all my design. Everything I start from block patterns, whether it's a skirt, whether it's a pants, whether it's thong. I always use a block pattern because then I don't run into issue of um, fitting. Okay, so if you find a pattern that is really comfortable, you love the fit, you love the way it looks, and then you just make it into a block pattern, and then from there you can go ahead and make the any design that you want. Okay, so what I did was cut out my block pattern, make my design, cut out the actual pattern. I'm using black fabric, four-way stretch, and the front of the fabric have a sheen to it. Okay, and then from there, let us start to cut up that shorts. Okay. So here is what I'm going to be doing. So this is the design. It's going to be a V. All right. So what I'm doing is cutting it like this. But what I'm doing is that I'm cutting it only to here. Because one thing, you don't want to cut over your stitching. All right. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to put some, I'm going to use mine. And then I'm going to go where I want these cuts to be. All right. So this is one. This is one. You can barely see it. That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. That's five. And I'm not going to go straight up. I'm going to come right here and let it stop right here. Six. And in between that, make it be seven. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see this. There it is. So I'm going to cut it like that. All right, I'm going to cut this. And then in the back, I'm going to continue it and come to here. But remember, I am not going in here. I'm not cutting in here. Okay. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm cutting where my line is. The line that I did like around 5/8 inches, you know, from each end. I'm not cutting where the seams are. Okay, you do not want to cut where your seam is. You don't want to use your scissors and go over your seam, because then you're really going to mess up your shorts, and then you know you're going to see your threads popping and stuff like that. So your center seam, your side seams, you do not want to cut those. What you're doing is just cutting in the middle. Okay, guys? Guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so how I did this, as you can see, I made the pattern first. I use my block pattern. I use block pattern for everything. Um, just a basic leotard pattern, and then I pattern make from there, and then I make this. All right, and look at my website, guys. I have a couple unusual stuff on there. Some stuff you already see already from it might be other designer. But if there's something that you're interested in, I can make it into different pattern, into your size. Go ahead, you can the link is below and you can contact me. Thank you so much, guys, for the love and the support. Again, my name is Stephanie. Remember, subscribe. Bye.